Hi, I'm Ken's brain. Been thinking about how I operate in here and down there lately. Here's what's firing. It's weird that I have genes and they may or may not express themselves or their signature protein, or the degree to which they express themselves is variable. Some genes express only during embryonic development, then shut off forever. Others turn on and off constantly. Some only express themselves in the liver and others in me. Epigenetics is the study of how genes turn on and off, how our experiences change how our genes operate without altering the structure of our DNA. Epigenetics shows how our environment, translated into the chemical surround of any given cell, programs our genes in ways that will determine just how active they'll be. The food we eat contains hundreds of substances that regulate a host of genes, turning them on and off like Christmas lights. Genes are designed to be regulated by signals from their immediate surround, including hormones from the endocrine system and neurotransmitters inside me, some of which in turn are profoundly influenced by our social interactions. Just as diet regulates certain genes, our social experiences also determine a host of genomic on-off switches. And this is profound to me. Hold on. Hello? Yeah. Let me call you back. I'm in the middle of something. Okay. Thanks. Just as diet regulates certain genes, our social experiences also determine a host of genomic on-off switches. So our social experiences, our interactions with others, goes to helping or not helping genes express themselves. All who work in organizations get the concept of culture. Okay? We all experience it. Those at the top work hard to create it, define it, model it. Those of us in the middle work hard to understand it, to live it, to teach it even. The notion of being a good fit or feeling like one is a good fit for a certain culture is well known. But could this feeling of belonging, this feeling like one is a good fit, happen at the molecular level? Could the culture that I'm hired into, or say that I stayed employed in, feel right because the social experiences created by it are actually turning on or turning off certain gene expressions that are desirable to me, desirable to others that I'm productive with? Epigenetics seems to say yes. Now, GINA protects individuals against discrimination based on genetic info in health coverage and in employment. Genetic information's taboo. Privacy is sacred. But what if we could opt out of GINA protection? What if we could let our DNA help us identify a good fit for us, a culture where we could thrive? It's obvious that dating sites work to help to find mates. It seems fairly obvious that employment sites could do the same. Anyway, gotta go.